Kate here with WTI. Now, have you ever seen a travel mirror so sleek and compact? This is from LUKYMIRO. This is a folding travel mirror. You open it up and it rests really nicely on a tabletop. It's completely adjustable. It's nice and stiff, so it'll stay at whatever angle you set it at. Here's the best part. It has lights. It's nice and bright, and you can choose the warmth you want. So there are 3 different settings. Now, on top of that, the back has a 10 times magnifying mirror. This will humble you real fast, I'm just saying. But it's really nice if you just want to use this on its own, you can do that. Or it magnetizes right to your mirror. The quality of this mirror is fantastic. It is so crystal clear. I just love the image it gives. It also charges, obviously, to keep that battery running. You can see the sizing compared to a standard sheet of paper. So it's a great size. It fits so nicely into my travel backpack. I can take this anywhere with me on the go and have a mirror. It's been a lifesaver more than once, and I'm sure you'll really like it too, and that's my point of view.